Now, let's cut across to Milan Sharma. Milan, tell us about the long-term plan. Cloud seeding, we are still waiting to see what kind of results we see as far as ground results are concerned. But what is the long-term plan? Is this going to solve the problem of Delhi as far as toxic air is concerned? And is it part of the long-term plan that Delhi government is planning?
That's a very good question, because if you talk of long-term planning, yes, Delhi government is looking to cloud seeding for a long-term plan. But certainly there are environmental and meteorological factors that will actually determine whether cloud seeding can become a long-term plan. Currently, it's only a stopgap measure. And from the IMD as well, we had seen in predictions that any rain, if there was possibility of any rainfall in Delhi, it would have happened according to the western disturbances currently that are affecting a lot of meteorological weather over India. You remember there's a cyclone that's currently approaching from the Bay of Bengal, as well as there's a deep depression towards the Arabian Sea. So if there was any chance of rain in Delhi, that was predicted by the IMD on 27th and 28th morning. That did not happen. Now, similarly, cloud seeding as well, if it's looked at as a long-term plan, there will have to be a lot of meteorological factors that need to be taken into consideration, because post-monsoon, the weather in Delhi becomes less in moisture, which is, the minimum temperature begins to fall. But at the moment, the minimum temperature hasn't fallen by that much, which is why the air is dry. And the IMD prediction says that there is smog and haze that you see around you in the air currently. So this is not exactly cloudy. There are very few clouds, but there is smog and haze because of the temperature factors that are trapping the pollutants within Delhi NCR right now. And this is a very standard procedure that we see every year, nothing new in this. Having said that, of course, in the future, when a new sortie is done or more trials are done on cloud seeding, three factors will need to be assured to the Delhi government to make it a success. One, there should be moisture in the cloud that you are seeding, and the moisture will then make it possible for the cloud to carry this towards the rain. The wind speeds right now in Delhi are calm. There is no wind speed that is going above 10 kilometers per hour. So there isn't much wind to even move the clouds around. And certainly clouds are required for cloud seeding as well. So it should be heavily cloudy. And this will determine the long-term impact of cloud seeding. As Suesha, my colleague, just mentioned, it is an expensive exercise. And experts have said that definitely it is a stopgap measure that cannot be taken as a long-term solution.